What up, guys? This is gonna be the boys' first little walk in the forest. They've been begging me to walk in the forest, so I'm gonna take them down some little trails here. It's not much of a forest; it's just kind of like a little park. Here we go. Yep.
Not that way?
Nope.
Why?
It's too crowded back there. There's too much leaves back there. Too many branches. We gotta go down here.
Oh, it's not over here. Daddy, there's no branches over here.
I know, that's why we're walking down this trail.
There was. Wow.
Oh, look, there's a branch in the way. What are we gonna do?
I don't know.
What are we gonna do?
We can climb over it.
We just have to climb over it.
Have to climb over it.
Hey, look, a bridge.
Where? Where can we get across it?
We'll have to walk across it.
How do you?
Just walk across.
Let's cross the bridge. This bridge is there. Daddy, look at all those branches over there.
Yep.
We're going this way. Daddy, are we going this way?
Yeah, just keep walking.
Daddy, we taking five. Yeah. Go! Daddy, run. Daddy, are we going that way? That's the grass.
Nope. Stay on this trail.
We only go down the grass.
Keep going. Straight.
Down on the. Daddy, are we going that way or that way?
Straight. Yep.
Daddy, this way? I need to fall down. Where's Daddy bridges? Daddy, these are a lot of branches.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and grass.
It's a little crowded in here, huh? There's not as much room to walk around.
No.
You gotta duck down under all the branches.
Yeah, but how?
I don't know, you just do it.
I'm too bored.
Oh, I saw a car up there. It's not much of a forest, is it?
No. It's dark. Daddy, it's dark in here.
Mm-hmm.
Daddy, are we going back to the park too?
Yeah, well, that's a road, guys, so we can't cross that road.
Then what are we gonna do?
We'll have to turn around and walk the other way. Go back the way we came.
That's the street.
Don't get on the street.
No calls. There's no calls. Daddy, can't we walk?
Yeah, we can't go down this way, guys. There could be cars.
There's no cars.
Let's go back this way.
Where are we going?
We're just walking through the forest.
But Daddy, where are we going? Daddy, where are we going, Daddy?
Back towards the park. Come on.
The bridge.
Yeah, the bridge. As you can see, it's not like an incredible state park or anything. It's just a little trail that they have back here at this park in town. There's actually a really big like nature preserve near where we live. I'm gonna take them down there next weekend, I think. So maybe I get some footage of them down there. There's some water. There's like a little waterfall. And they could get in the water if they wanted to. So that should be a lot of fun. Are you okay now? Are you gonna make it? Asher, you better wait for us. You're getting too far ahead, bud. Yeah. Asher, slow down, bud.
I can climb up it. I can catch him. Daddy, I can catch him.
Well, go catch him. I'd rather him just slow down. Look. Cardio. That was a fun adventure. And now we're done with the trail walking. We'll have to find some better trails.